All right, we're taking out tires here and swapping them around. Remember, Sage lent us these brand new tires off of his bus to drive home on for the steer tires. We've got these old steer tires that we're going to put back on here. So we've already got one done. They're really old. They're pre-2000 date codes, but there's zero checking in the side or cracking in the sidewalls. We probably would have been completely fine driving them, but I don't want to drive on plus 20-year-old tires on my steer tires when it's a unknown entity. It's just not worth it. You're going to wreck for sure if those blow out. The perfect thing is that I delayed just long enough for Tyler to get that out by himself.
It's okay, you can help load the other two. Gravity's not on our side with that.
Yeah, I'll get Mom. All right, see if it'll fit on there. Well, that was easy. Getting ready to take the thing into the grocery store today. We're gonna go do a picnic with the neighbors. Tyler brought the soft top down, so now we can get caught in the rain. We'll be okay. The first tire tracks on the pad. I parked the first thing on the pad, and it's a thing. My thing is on the pad. Yay. Super smooth getting up onto it. No hump or bump or anything like that. It just, here, you want to hold that for me, Kelly? When I backed up onto it and I didn't even feel when I was hitting it. Not too bad. I got a fogger. Trying to get rid of some of these bugs on the property. And if I can kill everything 10 feet from the path. And then as that drifts through the trees. Hopefully it'll get rid of a bunch of mosquitoes too. Told you it does pretty good. Tastes pretty low. I can stay ahead of it while I'm not inhaling it. Just a little rainstorm. So here's an update on Kelly's gardens. Just got a lot of stuff growing. And we just put some fencing up around it to hopefully keep the deer out. It's 5 foot tall fencing, but it's pretty close together because he's only 4 foot wide. We're hoping they won't jump over that. We're live and learn, I guess. I don't know, because I know they can jump higher than 5 feet, but we're thinking maybe they won't try it since it's so close to the other side. But we'll see. They haven't bothered anything yet, and there hasn't been a fence around it. And she's got another one over here. So lots of good stuff coming.